Right, hello all. Today we are going to discuss a topic on the isometric views. So, first of all, let me explain you what do you mean by a isometric view. So, before starting the problem, let me tell you what do you mean by isometric. So, isometric. If you can differentiate, if you divide the word iso and metric, so iso means equal. Okay, right, and metric means measurement. So before going to that, let me show you the explanation about isometric. What do you mean by isometric? So I want to explain you. Let us consider the cube. Okay. First of all, I will draw a line. Okay. And above that, I will draw a cube. Okay, which all we know. Okay. Let me take this line for drawing the cube. Okay. Yeah, this is the 3D cube which we know already from your previous classes or anything. Okay. And here if you consider a angle, what is the angle of a cube in the interior angle? I mean at the any corner or any angle we are having a, what is the angle? It is 360 degrees. Inside the angle 360 degrees. So if you consider only the angle at a single corner, if you divide this 360 degrees into three equal halves, as we are having the three equal halves over here, it will be divided into 360 divided by 3. So it will be, see, I want to divide this angle, as we are having the 360 degrees. Now I will divide this into three equal angles, that is 360 by 3, that is called as 120. The value will be 120, and here 120, and this angle also 120. Okay. Now if you consider the base, okay, here, as you know, the cube which is exactly perpendicular, it will be exactly perpendicular to each other. These corners are perpendicular to each other, yes or no? Right. Now if you consider the angle between these two corners, it will be 90. Okay, these two corners, the angle will be 90 degrees. Now if you want to know the angle, the difference between this horizontal line and this corner box, okay, the corner of the box, it will be, the total angle will be 180, and here it will be 90, and here it will be 30 degrees. Okay, the angle between here is your 30. So similarly here 120, the angle between here also it will be 120. Okay. Now right, and the other corner also same, here it will be 30 degrees, and the corner it will be 90 degrees. Okay, and this part also you will get a 90 degrees. So that is the reason, if you want to draw a isometric views for a 3D diagram to for a, if the orthographic views are given and you want to convert it into isometry, okay, so you have to take the values, the lines, as one line is 30 degrees and the other line is a 30 degrees in the left, and this line which we draw the perpendicular lines, that will be in the 90 degrees. Okay, this is the reason why we use 30 degrees lines in the isometric views. Okay, now let us look at the first problem which we have. Let me give you an example problem for drawing the isometric views. Right. Okay, let us take this problem. Okay, so immediately if you observe the problem here, it is in the L shape. Okay, the object which we are given, it is orthographic. This is your front view and this is your top view. Okay, right, and as you observe this one, it is a L shape and we have to draw it in the isometric view. So as I have explained you just now, so first of all, for drawing the isometric views, what is the line we have to take? We have to take a line, the base. Okay, right, this is the baseline which we, for the drawing of isometric view, and after that this is the 30 degrees line in the right side, and again one more 30 degrees line in the left side. Okay, and after that, see, as this is the front view, I am taking the front view in the left side, so this is the length is 40 mm, I am taking the 40 mm in the left side, and after that what is the height? Here it is a 50 mm, so I will take 50 mm. Okay, right, and after that, yeah, yeah. And after that, and what is the length here? This is the 10 mm, here also it will be 10 mm. Okay, this is your 10 mm, and again the bottom is total 50 minus 10, it is your 40 mm, and again from that 40 point and from this point I will join here. Okay, and again, okay, so whatever the front view I have given in the question, I will draw this in the left side view. Okay, or right side, you can take either side, because the side view is not given. If the side view is given, okay, then we have to decide whether to draw left side or right side, but the side view is not given, so we can draw this front view either in the left side or in the right side. Okay, and after that, so what is the length in the top view I have to take? This is the, what is the length in the top view? It is 30 mm, so I have to take 30 mm. This is the 30 mm. Okay, and the bottom is also 30 mm. Okay, and after that, this is the, as we have to fix the drafter in the 30 and here 30, this is the first line 30, and after the 30 and here also 30, and after this also 30 mm. Yes or no? And after that, keeping the drafter towards the left side and make it this line, and here also this 10 mm also should be parallel to the this left side 30 mm line. Okay, and after that, draw a line exactly parallel to this line, as it is a perpendicular line. It is a vertical line, you have to draw exactly 90 degrees. Okay, and again keep the drafter left side. Okay, fix it, and again draw a parallel line. Okay, and it meets some other point. Again fix the drafter in the right side and join this corner point, and as it will be exactly 30 mm. Okay, and the remaining part which we get after joining all these lines, just erase it. Okay, right, this is the about the isometric. And the one more, the best thing you want to remember here, just observe these lines. As we take the lines in the right right, you have every line in the right, just observe this. If you fix the drafter for this this 30 degrees line, every line in this right side, when you move the drafter from here to the here point, it should be parallel. And from the left side, once we have fixed the 30 degrees line, we have if you are moving the line from the left side, this is parallel 30 degrees, and this is parallel 30 degrees, and this is parallel 30 degrees, and this is parallel 30, and this is also 30 degrees. Okay, and the lines which we are drawing vertically, it should be 90 degrees. Okay, it is very simple. Okay, you can practice. This is one of the best example, and okay, hope you understood everything.